We'll guide you through how to switch from Google Assistant to Gemini on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So Gemini is Google's new AI-powered assistant, and so you may want to go and start using that instead of Google Assistant for whatever reason. Perhaps you think you'll go and get better results. Ultimately, you can always go and switch back to Google Assistant if you prefer it. I think Gemini is a good switch though, so we're going to guide you through how it can go and be done. Make sure it's full video so you don't miss anything, and let's go and dive straight into this. So what you need to do is you need to go and swipe up like so, and you need to go and find settings. By default, it should be on the first page as you can see, but you can always press search at the top and go and type in settings and go and open it up. In settings, what we now need to do is go and scroll down and find the option for Google, and you want to go and tap there like so. Wait for it to load. You want to go to the right and press all services. Now in here, what you need to do is go and scroll down. There are quite a few different options here, but you want to go down and find the option for Search Assistant and Voice, as of course this relates to the assistant as we're changing it to Gemini. Wait for it to load, and then you want to go down and find Google Assistant. And in here, you then need to go and scroll down. You did note we saw Gemini back there, but you want to come and scroll down in here and find digital assistants from Google. And it says choose between Gemini and Google Assistant. So we can tap there. And at the moment, we've got Google Assistant selected, but I can go and select Gemini. It's Google's new AI-powered assistant, can help you get creative inspiration and more productivity. So we can tap there. And if you're sure, you can go and press switch. So now when we go and use Hey Google, Gemini is going to go and be used. Go and wait, and you can then scroll down and read about it and go and press use Gemini if you're sure. And that's it. So now when I go and say, Hey Google, Gemini is now going to go and be used. As you can see, you can now go and close this off and keep using it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides like this.